How to buy Minecraft from G2A. Want to play Minecraft but save money? Buying from G2A can be cheaper than the official store, and here's how to do it safely. So first and foremost, go ahead and open g2a.com into your browser, and then using the search bar, go ahead and look for Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock Edition. You'll see multiple sellers offering activation keys. Compare offers carefully, check sellers' ratings, reviews, and whether the key is marked as global for worldwide activation. Choose your seller, so go ahead and select that specific item. And then from here, you'd be able to get redirected into this section. So in here, go ahead and click on this add to cart button to add this to your cart. And then make sure to set the edition first before you continue with adding it to your cart. You can also buy the item now immediately and proceed to check out. GTA supports PayPal, credit cards, and other payment methods. For safety, buy only from top-rated sellers. Consider G2A Shield for buyer protection and avoid suspiciously low prices. Remember, official purchases from Mojang or Microsoft are always the safest. Buying Minecraft from G2A can save you money, but it comes with risks. If you want guaranteed security, stick to the official site. If you choose G2A, shop smart and protect yourself.